Yo, what's going on, guys? What is going on? How's everybody doing? Oh, let's get started on this day. So far, so good this week, eh, guys? We've had a pretty good week for crypto, man, across the board. Let's have a look at what we got going on today, shall we? Let's have a brief look. There we go. There we go. Much better. Much better. All right, let's see who's in the chat. First of all, guys, good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody's doing good. Shane in the house. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Absolutely. Also, good morning, everyone. Wes, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Isaac with the super chat. Thank you so much, brother. As always, the support is just so greatly appreciated, guys. It really, really is. Means a lot. Keeps the channel going. Keeps me going. Right? It's amazing. Thank you so much, man. Isaac says, "Greetings, Rob. A small token of appreciation for your time, research, and opinions. Thank you, Jasmine, $1 and beyond." Absolutely, man. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. William in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Beebs. Good morning, future crypto millionaires. Jasmine Scam. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Brian in the house. What's up, Rob Father? It seems we have found ourselves in the winner's circle. Oh, how did that happen, eh? Consistency, brother. H. Barbarina in the house. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. Shane with the super chat. Let's have a great Friday. Thank you so much, Shane. As always, man, you are absolutely appreciated, brother. Means a lot. Chris, what's up, buddy? Let's party. Absolutely, man. Michael over on X. What's going on, bro? It's been a good week for Jasmy partnerships and green candles. Yes, absolutely it has. We've had some good partnerships, some good announcements coming out of Jasmy. And that's what I've been saying, guys. I've been saying that for a while. Whenever things are quiet on Jasmy, people are always asking me, like, oh, there's nothing going on. Like, why is it so quiet? Man, Jasmy goes through these weird spurts as a company where it's like they go like radio silent for I don't even know, right? For what seems like a couple of weeks, like a few weeks. And then all of a sudden it's like, bam, partnership, bam, collaboration, bam, MOU, right? And they just start launching out all these freaking announcements, right? So I suspect that there's more to come, to be honest with you. So yeah, I agree. Kevin in the house, what's up, brother? Good to see you, broski. Boomer, what's up, brother? Good to see you, bro. King of Time, what's going on, man? Good. What is going on? Mary, what's going on? Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's go, Jasmy. Absolutely. Yizzy, bro, what's up, man? Good to see you, Chris, like the general. Nice. Juicy Jasmy, what's going on? Absolutely. Richie Rich in the house. Oh my God, just watched a cat fight at the committee hearing this morning. What? What? Video or it didn't happen, bro. Balaclava man, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. Good to see you. Looks like we are live over on X. Yes, we are good to go there. Guys, as always, if you're new, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button, guys. It definitely helps the channel. Helps a whole bunch. So we got to get the algorithm out there. Got to click the likes, click the subscribes, get this algo out there. Help the channel grow. Definitely would mean a lot. Galaxy Shooter, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome in. All right, so let's have a look around the market, guys. What do we got? Look at Helium Mobile is having itself a fantastic start to the day. Love to see that. Jasmy up 4%. Looks like we're holding strong above 2 cents now, guys. We're going to have to build some more support, strengthen the support there probably. But we're going to stay on top of it. Swift up 4.7%. Figures I was going to do some DCAing today. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Bitcoin just a hair under $67,000, guys. Look at how fast we've recovered. I think it was like Monday, we were at like 60,000. Now we're back up to almost 67, guys. Absolutely. That's how fast things can happen in crypto, right? I know sometimes it feels like it's really slow and it's going to take forever for prices to move. And then bam, all of a sudden, right? It just moves, man. Wait till you see the bull run, guys. If you've never seen one, wait till you see it. It's going to be even more amazing than that. So look across. Multivision space having itself a good little dip. If you want to DCA into that, it's under $6. Not too bad, guys. I think it was at a high of what, $33 was the high. So definitely a good pickup on space right now. PIF has I did a video. PIF has a token unlock coming on Monday. So it might, if you're looking to get some PIF, Monday might be a good day for that to happen. We might see a bit of a pullback for PIF on Monday. Yeah, that was a classic cafe. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I need to know what's happening. Be sincere. What's up, brother? What's good? What's good? Bought 30K more XCN and 100K XCN now. Nice. Congratulations on the bag, man. Keep it going. AOC, look up fake lashes. Fake lashes. I'll have to look it up later. I don't know if they'll let me show it on the channel. So, boom. What else do we got? Jasmy was ranked 81 on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, what is it ranked right now? 85 right now. Beebs, Rob, our AI meme coin Turbo. Is it doing good? Is it pumping? Is it pumping like crazy today? Turbo time. Do it now. 27% for Turbo. Absolutely love to see it, man. Nice. We love that call, eh, brother? Nailed that one. It's doing good. 41% on the week. 141% on the 2 week, bro. Good pickup, man. Very nice. YM Champ with the super chat. Thank you so much. 4,800 subs. Congrats. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, we're trying to get to that 5,000 sub level, guys. So absolutely. Smash that subscribe button. Help us out. Help us grow. Turbo up 28%. Yeah, I see that. It's up 100. Like I said, it's up 100. And look at this, man. Look at this. I thought you were on the screen. Check this out. It's up 141% on the 2 week. 171 on the month. It's having a great month this month, man. What a great call. It's turbo time. All right, let's get into some of the news here, guys. Let's talk about it. What's going on? All right, so we've got, I'm going to play this video here from Little Bidman, but I cannot play the sound because there's music. So, but it's in Japanese anyway, so you can't understand the words anyway. So just enjoy the video here. It says, shout out to Jasmy Community Sleuth Little Bidman for having the incredible posts each day. He reminds us often about the reach Jasmy and how the depths of their ambition is. This video is a good reminder of what Jasmy is building in size and their ambition. So check it out, guys. Watch this video here real quick from Little Bidman. Shout out to him. I'm going to have to mute this. There. Now check this out. I'll full screen it for you guys. Like I said, I cannot put the sound on because there's music and I'll get copyright dinged for it. So Jasmy Universe. Check this out, guys. Epic. Like I said, courtesy Little Bidman. Let's see if there's music's done yet. See, it's a Japanese, so you can't understand it anyway. But they're starting. The point is, they're starting to do their commercials, guys. They're starting to advertise and stuff. This is mega bullish. Marketing is key for Jasmy here, right? We need to see a lot more marketing if we want to see more adoption. This is the commercial I was telling you guys before, right? Look at, she's using her IoT, her PDL, right? So she's going for a run. She's activated her smartwatch there to track what she's doing, right? Where she's going, what she's doing and stuff. And then watch what happens when she gets home. She's collecting data. Oh, I guess they cut it out, but she collects data on where she is, what she does. And then she goes home and she puts her wristwatch back by her phone and laptop, and it stores that data on the PDL, and then she gets paid. See, here it is again. This is her, right? This is their commercial. So she got paid 1,000 points, DD points, for her data simply for going for a run, right? Very, very bullish, guys. That's kind of the idea behind how this is going to work, right? You can wear whatever it is, your Fitbit, your smartwatch, whatever it is. You can go for a run. You can go out for the day doing what you do, right? Going shopping, whatever it is, malls, restaurants, whatever it is, go to work. And then you can put that data and upload it into your PDL, right? And companies are going to have to, pay for that data, where you went, what you shopped for, what you ate, all this stuff, right? It might not seem like it matters to you, but these advertisers, they want that information, right? Balaclava Man, have you converted your XCN to Swift yet? I'm not converting my XCN to Swift. What I said was, I was going to stop dollar cost averaging into XCN temporarily and focus on continuing to fill my bags with Swift. And that's kind of what I've done. So I'm not going to sell my XCN. I'm still going to hold it. I'm going to go back eventually to continuing to buy it. But right now, I feel like I want more Swift. I had gotten to 1 million coins, and I thought that I was going to be satisfied with that, but it turns out not so much, right? So I want more Swift. So I'm going to focus on maybe doubling or tripling my bag first, and then I'll get back over to XCN after that. So very, very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. And then Jasmy's new partner, Jangshin's new partner, check this out. They tweeted out yesterday, 10 Protocol, as we know, is their new partner, and they tagged Jangshin in it, and they just put this lock and key. That's all they said was lock and key. So our good friend Icy Amphibian says, lock it up, Jasmy. So what are they implying by putting this little lock and key here and tagging Jangshin in it? What are they implying? Are they locking up tokens? Are they utilizing some of the tokens? I know that Jasmy and Jangshin, as part of their collaborations and partnerships, they want to utilize companies that are going to lock up Jasmy coin. So are they going to be locking up? Are we going to see an announcement from 10 Protocol that they're in some capacity utilizing the Jasmy coin, locking it up on the PDL? We're going to have to stay tuned to it, find out. But it definitely leaves the door open to speculation as to why their brand new partner would tweet out just this and tag them in it, this lock and key. What are they implying here, right? Very, very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Jose, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm on. Hey, Rob and everybody. How you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All the familiar faces are here, guys. You'll love to see it. Guys, again, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. We want to see the channel grow, right? We want to see the channel succeed. We want to reach more people, but very bullish that they tweeted that out, guys. We're going to stay on top of what it means. Then Jangshin tweeted out this morning, Jangshin, the world we are aiming for. Number one, we will approach the monopoly of major companies that is occurring in the generative AI market and provide distributed GPUs by aggregating them. We aim to support companies that are utilizing AI by utilizing blockchain and Jasmy technology. So they're looking to bring a lot of companies that want to utilize the AI and utilize blockchain and utilize the Jasmy technology. We're gonna welcome them into our ecosystem. Kevin, free the PDL for Android. Yes, Attica, right? Which price will you be DCAing out of XCN? I was trying to get my plan sorted now. I'll probably start DCAing out of XCN between 10 to 20 cents. I don't think it's going to go too much higher than maybe 30 to 40 cents tops this time around. So probably around 10 cents, I'll start working my way out. Is it better for them to use them or lock them up? It's better for us if they lock them up, because then they're out of circulation, and the less in circulation, the higher value our tokens are, right? So, yeah, one step closer to reaching the 14 billion circulating supply that we're aiming for here. So that would be absolutely bullish AF, right? What else do we got? Crypto Bull says JASMY retest is over. Expansion incoming. So we broke out of the bull pennant here, guys, on the 12-hour, like we've been tracking. We've retested it as support over here, as you can see. Now the next leg up, boom, he figures around 3 cents 6 to 3 cents 8 would be the next leg up. Possibly coming in the next, I don't know, 2 weeks. We'll see. Week, maybe. This is 12 hours, so it could be within the week. So we'll have to stay on top of it, right? What else is going on out there, guys? I hate when these things open up. Oh. All right, so we've got Ted Cruz here, guys. He was speaking at an event earlier this week. He says, his quote on Bitcoin, he said, Bitcoin relationship across the state lines. He says, I want Texas to be the oasis for crypto and Bitcoin mining. But right now, we have some competition on that from Florida. And then Senator Loomis chimes in and says, all due respect, Ted Cruz, but Wyoming is the best state in the country for Bitcoin and crypto. Guys, you understand we're starting to see these, these states are starting to compete against each other in a friendly way, but compete publicly against each other for becoming the best Bitcoin and crypto oasis in the United States. You never imagined 4 or 5 years ago that we were going to see this happening, guys, right? All the states, well, most of the states are fighting to see who's going to be the best place for crypto, most welcoming place for adoption of crypto. This is huge, guys. This is huge. We'd love to see this kind of stuff. It means adoption. Another chart from Steph's Crypto lines up with the last one that I looked at. He says 3 cents 6 would be the breakout. We've retested the trend line on the bull pennant here on the daily. He says JASMY broke out of the ascending triangle pattern on the daily chart. The technical target is set at approximately 3 cents 69. Very, very bullish, guys. It's coming. It's coming. Are you ready to go? We're going to have another February pump really, really soon here, guys. Y'all remember February, right? Melted faces, those God candles from like half a cent all the way up to almost 3 cents, guys. We're about to see it mirror what happened. Hopefully you guys are ready for that. Because I know I'm still going to get people that are saying to me, oh, I was waiting for lower prices, even though, right? I've been saying. Hara tweets out, check it out. He says, data sharing requires this obvious. You are in control of your own data. JASMY is a platform that allows you to understand where your data goes inexpensively through traceability. Furthermore, Junction focuses on markets where value can be created by data sharing. And then he tweets out, what is JASMY? So, and I covered last night in another video that's coming out, I think, later tonight or tomorrow, that Hara had tweeted out more about the KPI goals, guys. He just talked about it again last night. And the thing is, like, it's good to see that, like, we're on top of the KPI goals and we pay attention to them, right? But it's good that he tweets it out every once in a while, that they're still top of mind for him, that he's focused on the KPI goals by talking about them. It shows us that he's there. He's in line with what we want, right? So that's very, very bullish, guys, in my opinion anyway. I know some people are impatient, but, people that don't want to wait, that's fine. Watch your guru just in. $2.1 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options expires today. So, guys, we could see a little bit of volatility today as those options expire. So be prepared for that. Be ready. So stay ready so you don't have to get ready, right? Check out Loomis here. I just want to recap kind of what she said yesterday. Check this out.
The Senate could have avoided this if SEC Chair Gary Gensler was willing to direct staff to revise Accounting Bulletin 121 to keep customer digital assets off the balance sheets of custodians and engage in a transparent process. Refusing to revisit this policy after bipartisan criticism is odd. The majority of the SEC staff accounting bulletins from the last 30 years have been revisions and rescissions of prior guidance. Revisiting and fixing accounting standards, especially when there's a new technology, is warranted and encouraged. Guidance is meant to be flexible. It is not meant to set policy, which would require notice and comment by those that will be regulated pursuant to that regulatory process. But apparently, Chairman Gensler would rather politicize accounting standards to achieve policy goals in the banking industry, an industry I'd like to remind him he does not regulate, rather than conduct a transparent policy-making process. Maybe it's because Chairman Gensler knows that putting customer assets on the balance sheet is bad policy that would garner enough support to finalize a rule, or rather would not garner enough support to finalize a rule. Maybe it's because he's committed to an ill-informed and unworkable fight against the digital asset industry at any cost. Unfortunately, SAB 121 does nothing to protect consumers. Nothing to protect consumers. It hurts them. I hope that all of my colleagues will recognize this and join me in voting in support of House Joint Resolution 109. Mr. President, I yield the floor.
Mr. Gensler getting roasted. Roasted. You absolutely love it. Henry, DGen popped off overnight after I got into it yesterday when it was way down. Great call, Rob. Yes, absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Guys, if you don't know what he's talking about, guys, we do videos for members only, right? You got to be a member of the channel or you got to be on the Patreon, and we get you in on these plays before they pop off, right? Well, we called DGen the other day and it popped off. And Henry made quite a bit of money. It's up 26%. 26%, guys. Absolutely love it. We just called this, I think, yesterday or the day before, right? So, guys, it's only $4 to be a member of the channel. And if you had been a member of the channel, you would have gotten in on this. You'd be up 26% on this today. That's why it's worth clicking the join button or clicking the link in the chat. You don't want to miss out on these calls, man, because that's where you make the money, guys. For $4, you could have made how much? Hundreds, possibly thousands. So, I mean, your call, man. It's definitely worth clicking that button, though. Sun is hot. Robin Chat, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right. What else do we got, guys? You love the pump action. You absolutely love it. All right. What else is out there? Gary getting torched. Love to see that. Check it out, guys. Listen, I've been saying this for over a year now, but maybe some people will listen to it from the legendary Roaring Kitty. Listen up, because I get people messaging me on a daily basis with this issue. No patience, small time frame vision, right? And I keep telling them the same thing. So listen up, guys. If you're impatient, listen.
Some people want something to go up every single day, every single week. Up, up, up. It's not going up. No. It's like, yo, just chill. Chill. Some people.
Exactly. That's what I've been saying, guys, right? Things don't go up in straight lines. And some people get all worked up. Like, Jasmy's going sideways. Jasmy's not pumping. Man, you're going to be so sorry in the peak of the bull altcoin season when Jasmy's going nuts for your impatience, and hopefully you didn't get shaken out. Kevin, sorry, on another note, Swift has been adding like crazy. You've been adding to your Swift bag? Is that what you're saying, brother? Absolutely. Love that, man. Love that. Ty, what's up, Rob? I've been eyeing this project of VPS AI. What do you think about it? VPS AI. Well, let's have a look, brother. Let's have a look. VPS AI. Well, it's only got a $3 million market cap. I like that. Most of the supply is already in circulation. I do like that. Only 100 million. Very, very nice. All-time high 2 months ago, 12 cents. You can only get it on MetaMask Uniswap right now, but what do they do? Revolutionizing cloud computing for AI and blockchain with GPU-enabled VPS. Okay, yeah. New era of decentralized infrastructure, accessible through VPS. Yeah. Very active on their socials. Very, very active. Yeah. Good play, man. Good play, in my opinion. Good call. What are we at right now for price? 3 cents? Oh yeah. This one's a no-brainer in my opinion. It's a no-brainer, man. Definitely a decent pickup. I'm up 200K in Swift, 300K in 2 weeks. Nice. That is a win, brother. That is a win. With the prices down as low as they have been, man, it's kind of hard not to, right? It's kind of hard not to, man. The struggle's real. All right, what else do we got? Where did you get your type AI from? Uniswap won't let me buy anymore. Won't let you buy anymore? I've never heard of a project not letting an exchange not letting you buy anymore. I'm still holding my type AI. I haven't sold any of it yet. It's a long-term hold for me. See, the problem with type AI that people are not understanding is that for more liquidity to be in the project, we need some centralized exchanges to start picking it up. And it will happen. They will get listed places, guys, right? So it's one of those plays that you need a little bit more patience with. I have mine over on my MetaMask, and I haven't tried to buy anymore, but I find it difficult that if it says they won't let you buy anymore, maybe they just simply don't have any more to sell on Uniswap, right? That could be the problem. Maybe check the Uniswap wallet. Maybe they won't have any more. There's only 10 million max supply, right? So I don't even know how much they would have, to be honest with you. Like almost all of it is in circulation. So if they're not letting you buy it, they might not have any more. They might have sold it all, right? That's the only thing I can think of why they would not want to sell it to you. What do we got? So just in, GameStop files to sell up to 45 million shares. So guys, I saw a lot of people overreacting to this. And this leads back to what I often talk about when I say that, you know, in Wall Street, they say you have to be an accredited investor because the average retail investor is not mature enough to handle those pre-ICO markets, right? And sometimes I get frustrated with that, but other times, like today, I completely understand and agree with what they're saying, right? There's a lot of retail investors out there that are not mature enough as investors to even be in crypto. We see it all the time, right? A project doesn't pump right away. And what do? They're all over online spreading FUD, and they're asking all these questions like, why isn't it pumping today? Why is it down 5% today? You know what I mean? Like just completely immature. And I don't mean that in a derogatory sense. What I mean is that if you're immature and as an investor, it means you don't have the experience in the market yet to understand how it works, right? So when it comes to this, right, I saw Wendy O over on X, and she's saying that because GameStop wants to sell 45 million shares, they're rug pulling everybody. That's not how it works, right? That's not how it works. It's not a rug pull or a scam when a company whose stock is in profit takes some profit. That's not a rug pull. That's business. That's investing. That's just smart, right? And then they take that money and they reinvest it back into their business, right? Like, it is completely asinine to sit there and go, a company wants to take profits on their stock, that's a rug pull. Like, so what? You're the only one who should make money on this? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so stupid. It's the mentality of some people. Wendy O is definitely not experienced enough in the market to be even giving advice to people. It's shocking that that's her state of mind, that a company wants to take profit on some stocks. That's absolutely stupid, right? Literally called it a rug pull. That is so stupid. What little respect I had for her, I lost at that point. I keep trying to purchase more, but I get a message that says transaction expected to fail. Maybe you don't have enough gas for the gas fee or something. I don't know, man. Wendy's dead brain. 100%, Ashley. 100% agree with that. You are not wrong there. Yeah, she says some stupid stuff, but that takes the cake. You know what I'm saying? All right. What else do we got? Liquidity. What's up, man? Do you think chances are we still get a dip, Rob? I was a believer in it, but that idea is fading for me. Won't get my hopes up just too much. Well, it's starting to look less and less like we're going to have that dip, but it's still in the cards. What's important is we need to have a weekly close, guys, above, like a weekly close above 65 would be bullish continuation to the upside for BTC, right? So, and it looks like so far, knock on wood, I mean, we still have 2 more days, but it looks like we're headed in that direction. I mean, Bitcoin right now is what? 66.8, right? So if we can just close above 65, it's a good sign for upward momentum. But a dip is still definitely, in the cards as a realistic thing. Now there's a difference though, right? It's realistic. That doesn't necessarily mean that the odds are that's what's going to happen, but I like to make sure you guys are prepared for both scenarios, right? Respect scam. Wendy overrated. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. She gets her subs because she's female, right? And she calls her subscribers or her babies or something like that. I unsubscribed from all those scammy YouTube shillers during the bear market, realizing they were full of it. Yeah, I mean, like, listen, I don't want to turn it into a Wendy O kind of bash fest, but at the same time, I mean, I don't think there's a single project that woman talks about on her channel that isn't paying her to talk about it, right? So that's the thing. But I'll give her this. At least she's transparent and admits that, that they're paying her and that they give her, like, I know Gala is a big one that she partnered with and they give her free Gala. But you have to remember, guys, if there's an influencer out there who's shilling a project and they're like, yeah, they're paying me to talk about this or whatever, their sponsor, that's fine and all. But you have to understand that they're not putting their own personal money into the project, right? They're just getting free tokens from the company. So they're asking you to risk your money in a project that they're not willing to risk their money in, right? So that's what you got to keep in mind. A little message here from Brad Garlinghouse about retail, guys. Listen, and this couldn't be truer. Another thing that people talk about like it's a conspiracy theory. It's true, guys. Institutions don't like the fact that retail, us, you and I, all of us, we front ran them on this. We got into crypto before they realized what it was going to be, right? And now that it is what it is, they're pissed off because we got in ahead of them. This is the first time in history that I know of that we as retail investors have been able to front run the incumbents when it comes to any kind of, because they stage it, right? With this accredited investor BS, they get to buy in on stocks before they ICO at like 5 cents. And then when they go public, then you can buy it at $5, and then they dump on your head what they bought at 5 cents. They take your money. It's a fixed system, right? So listen up to Brad Garlinghouse here.
The thing that's very different, and I've been out in Silicon Valley for about 20 years. The thing that's very different about what's happening now versus the dot-com bubble is the dot-com bubble, it was the institutional investors who were in, and then retail came on top and priced things up. The exact opposite has happened here. Mm-hmm. You have retail and kind of speculative interest already in the market, and now you have institutional money starting to come in.
Yeah, baby. We front ran those bastards. They're going to be our exit liquidity for a change. James, what's up, buddy? What's up, Rob? How you doing? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Thanks for all the real talk content. But hey, thanks for watching it, brother. Thanks for watching it, and thanks for supporting the channel, right? Without you guys supporting us, supporting me, I would just be some dude talking to himself online, man. So I appreciate all of you guys for that. And I did a little video on it, but we got more listings from Swift, guys. They continue like 2 or 3 listings every day onto their swap, guys. It's absolutely crazy how busy they've been. And I did a video kind of talking about why I think that their swap is so much better than a project like MetaMask, for example. I think on MetaMask, you can only use something like 5 networks or something like that. Like you can use like BNB, Ethereum, like Matic, like Arbitrum or something like that. And like, I don't maybe 1 or 2 other ones, something like that. Right. And like, it's not user friendly at all. So anyway, I don't give too much away, but I did a Swift video coming out tomorrow, I think, about that very issue. But it's great to see Swift continuing to list things, guys. Getting more and more projects going. And then another message that I like to send out all the time. Maybe people will understand it from somebody else. Listen up.
You guys had tons of time to buy crypto. I told y'all that sooner or later that this was going to happen because there's no way that banks are buying it, billionaires are buying it. There's no way it's got billions of dollars of market cap that you guys think that bubble's going to burst or that it's over or that it's never going to progress. Now look at yourselves. Eggs on your face. Look. You should have bought that shit when it was 12K, 10K, 20K, 30K. Now look. Now you're going to have to buy from these rich mummies. Unbelievable. Told you.
I love that guy. He's hilarious. What do we got? Okay, so also, guys, real quick, check this out. We finally broke through 69K JASMY holders. Love to see that, guys, as we continue to work our way up through the rankings. Let's check in on the Dixie here, guys, real quick. Just give me a second. What's Dixie doing today? We got to do our daily, our morning checkup on the Dixie. She's forming that red candle. It was green yesterday. It's wicked all the way back down to a red candle. Hopefully we see more continuation to the downside here, guys, as we open the next daily candle later today. We'll have to stay on top of that, see what happens. But so far, so good. Let's check out the smaller time frames. The 15, just kind of sideways. What's the hourly look like? Boom. You love to see that. Boom. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Absolutely gorgeous. Sun is hot. Well, they can afford to buy millions from us. Yeah. Yes, exactly. They can afford it. Have you changed your price for Swift with all these new partnerships? Nope. I'm still around $1. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Welcome in. As always, guys. Always make sure you're welcoming the new people to the chat. Make sure you, if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. Just like to put that out there. All right, so what else do we got going on, guys? Let's get into some of the news, shall we? So Bitcoin to 100K. Infamous head and shoulders pattern appears to signal the start of another rally. Let's go, baby. Crypto analyst Crypto Jeb recently highlighted an inverse head and shoulders pattern that had formed on the Bitcoin chart. This bullish pattern indicates another rally may be on the horizon for the flagship crypto. We could see its price to 100K. Crypto Jeb revealed in a video on his YouTube channel that the inverse head and shoulders pattern had been predicting. He had been predicting, for a while. It had formed finally on the charts. He predicts that this pattern could lead to a price breakout, sending Bitcoin's price to 70,000. The analyst also noted that the price target of the bullish pattern is at a $75,000 level, which indicates that Bitcoin could hit a new all-time high on its next leg up. CryptoJeb mentioned that there is a great degree of likelihood that Bitcoin would experience a major rally, which would send it to 100K should it break its current all-time high of 73.8. The crypto analyst believes that Bitcoin's rise to that price level is very likely, considering that it has been a pretty large corrective movement since hitting the new all-time high over 2 months ago. The crypto analyst warned that there is a scenario where Bitcoin could also end up trading sideways between 60,000 and 64, which could signal a period of consolidation. He noted that Bitcoin could even drop lower during the period. However, Bitcoin's outlook is generally bullish based on the technical indicators that Jeb highlighted. The analyst highlighted the moving average convergence divergence, which is noted is turning very bullish on the daily chart and shows the bulls are regaining control. He also claimed that Bitcoin is witnessing a green red green formation on the daily chart, indicating that the crypto token is doing very well. CryptoJeb mentioned that Bitcoin is currently in a very bullish territory, especially since altcoins are also rallying. He claimed this indicates a great degree of confidence in the market at the moment. The crypto analyst also noted that the stock market just broke an all-time high, which he stated is big news for Bitcoin. He explained that this is big news for Bitcoin because the flagship crypto follows the stock market and moves significantly wherever the stock market experiences a breakout. Whenever. As such, when the stock market breaking its all-time high, he expects Bitcoin to do the same, do so soon enough. CryptoJeb further explained that the rationale behind Bitcoin following the stock market is that investors are more confident in investing in risk-on assets. They see that the risk off the stock market is doing so well. He predicts that the Bitcoin will become a risk-off asset in the next 10 to 20 years. When that happens, he predicts that hundreds of billions of dollars in investments will be made in the flagship crypto. So, guys, very bullish, could see a leg up, and it does line up, guys, with Tech Dev's analysis of he's calling for like $140,000 Bitcoin by the end of July. Now, I'm personally calling for about $128,000 Bitcoin by October, November. And we would need to start making that move up sometime soon if we're going to reach these goals. So I wouldn't be surprised to see over the summer, we at some point very soon do see that $100,000 valuation on BTC. Just a matter of when, not a matter of if, in my opinion. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, what else do we got? Experts recommend promising altcoins. Let's have a look. The cryptocurrency market has been stabilizing within a limited range, suggesting an opportune moment for investors to identify promising altcoins and gear up for the forthcoming bull run. Based on expert analysis, 5 high potential altcoins have been shortlisted, each holding the potential to deliver returns between 10 to 50 times during the upcoming market surge. Morpheus Labs seeks to streamline the creation of blockchain and decentralized applications. DApps. Oh, is that an advertisement? Oh, no, it's not. Morpheus Labs through the blockchain as a service network utilizing low-code tools and AI-powered services. Morpheus aims to make blockchain more accessible with a market cap of 6.6 million, very, very small market cap. Mind could potentially reach the valuation comparable to Centrifuge's 300 million. This ease of access is expected to catalyze numerous projects on the platform. Okay, awesome. Akash network benefits AI demand. The Akash network operates a marketplace for GPU rentals, crucial for the AI and decentralized physical infrastructure network, DPIN. The ongoing demand for GPUs driven by the AI sector places Akash in a favorable position. Recently listed on Upbit, a popular South Korean exchange, AKT experienced a price surge, currently priced at 4.84 with a market cap of 1.1 billion. Akash decentralized GPU rental service is up to 60% cheaper than centralized options, making it a competitive choice. Quant provides blockchain solutions via its Overledger platform, an API that connects various blockchains to facilitate easy project integration and deployment. Overledger supports multiple use cases, including digital currencies, cross-border payments, and supply chain logistics. Despite being 74% below its all-time high at $427, Quant's diverse applications and robust infrastructure hint at a substantial growth potential. I agree, Quant between $1,000 to $1,500 easy. In my opinion, Oriya Chain combines AI with Web3 to enhance data quality, security, and reliability through AI oracles. It supports interoperability and decentralized storage, integrating both EVM and Cosmos ecosystems. Oriya Chain also facilitates the tokenization of real-world assets at $11.46 and the market cap of 183 million. ORAI's ticker has seen a remarkable 194% growth over the past year, making it a unique player in the blockchain arena. And finally, good old KASPA. KASPA is a proof of work blockchain utilizing a block DAG structure for high speed and scalability. Unlike traditional blockchains, KASPA allows simultaneous block creation, enhancing transaction speed and volume, making it ideal for dApps development and micropayments. With a price of 11 cents and a market cap of 2.8 billion, KASPA stands as a promising mid-cap project. I agree. There's 5 good projects, guys, to keep your eyes on. Very, very bullish. And let's have a look over at the JASMY chart here, guys. As you can see, we've tested on the daily. We've tested the pennant. We'll see what happens with it. We're going to stay on top of it. What's up, big bro? Just chilling, killing. You know what it is. Aman, do you really see BTC to $1 million in the next bull run? What would your conservative price be by then? Honestly, I think it's possible, but I think, listen, if we hit $300,000 like Plan B is projecting on his stock to flow model, then I think we could see somewhere around a $750,000 BTC conservatively in the next bull run, 2029, 2030. Maybe higher though, maybe around $1 million. At the very latest, I think the bull run after that, we would see $1 million. And I am personally willing to hold my Bitcoin that long, right? So I'm convinced that that is going to be an inevitability, and I'm holding on for the long haul. So absolutely, man. Absolutely. All right, now back over to the bubbles. What do we got? Yeah, Bitcoin's still holding 66.7, guys. We're going to have to stay on top of this all weekend. Hopefully we get a good weekly close. Hopefully we don't see a red weekend, but we'll have to see what happens. Miria back up to 6 cents one. I was telling you guys, Miria was down around 5 cents even, and I was like, guys, Miria, check it out. Check it out. So yeah, things are looking pretty good, man. Rob the OG, I am JASMY. We're all JASMY, 100%. We are all JASMY. All right, guys. So yes, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, as always. And like I said, man, that is about it for the news today. So yes, like, subscribe, make sure you're clicking the join button, guys. Again, another play that we called the other day, DGen pumped up like crazy today. If you want to get in on those plays, guys, you got to click the join button to get in early, make that money. And yeah, that is about it for this morning, guys. I will see you for this evening's live stream. Thank you guys all for coming. It's going to be a little bit of an earlier stream, guys, because I do work tonight. So probably around 5 Central, something like that, about 4 hours from now. So make sure you guys are here for that. And thank you guys so much for the support. And I will see you guys in the next one.